What's up, guys? So what is video bitrate? If you're live streaming, you really need to know what bitrate is. Now, whenever you're live streaming, you're sending out a lot of information to YouTube, Facebook, Periscope, whatever you're using, over Wi-Fi, over the internet. Bitrate is how much of that information you're actually sending out. So bitrate is very important. If you've got laggy streams, you probably have to bring that bitrate down. If it's not looking good, you might have to bring that bitrate up. Go into your streaming settings. If you're in 1080, if you're streaming in 1080p or 1080i, whatever you want to use, you probably want to use around 4,500 to 5,000 kilobytes per second, or around 5 megabits per second, in other words. So if your streaming settings are using kilobytes or megabytes, doesn't really matter. In fact, I'm actually linking up a blog in the description below that describes it in detail that Boxcast did, that I highly recommend checking out. But if you're streaming in 1080 and your Wi-Fi is giving out, you might want to stream in 720, around 4,000 kilobytes per second, or 4 megabits per second. That's a lot of math. So do that and let me know if it fixes it, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tools just like this, but for churches. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.